Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking one high-impact feature, a trend edit that sells itself, and you build outward. First, sketch UX flows and pick a stack, React Native or Flutter for fast cross-platform. Then provision backend endpoints on Node, JS and attach CDN for fast exports. Once done, wire a simple upload to edit pipeline and an export preset. Make sure to log metrics from day one so you can measure latency, retention, and conversion. Now you construct the editing core where performance matters. Build non-destructive layers so users can tweak without losing originals. This preserves flexibility and speeds iteration. Integrate GPU-accelerated shaders for filters and ensure multi-resolution caching to reduce memory use on low-end devices. Once done, add template presets and a responsive UI that favors one-tap application. Make sure to instrument a /b test. Finish by polishing the core experience. Refine color grading, add export bitrate and watermark options, and hook analytics for retention funnels. Then perform a phased rollout with crash monitoring and a clear feedback channel so you can patch fast. If things go wrong, say edits render differently across devices, investigate GPU driver variants and fall back to CPU-safe shaders. This often resolves inconsistent color or mask behavior. Finally, iterate weekly on top metrics and push critical fixes within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.